Welcome to the 8L Lathe Machine Training Program. Your smart glasses will provide real-time instructions and interactive guidance throughout this session, helping you operate the machine safely and efficiently. Before operating the CNC machine, ensure you have all required personal protective equipment. Lay your safety glasses and protective gloves out on a table and capture an image to verify your gear before putting them on. AI image verification succeeded. Carefully open the machine's glass enclosure door and position yourself for a clear view of the machine interior. Capture an image of the workspace to verify the machine's condition before operation. AI image verification succeeded. Switch on the CNC machine and allow the PathPilot control system to load completely. Confirm below once the interface is displayed and ready. Click on the Start button to begin the machining cycle. Observe the machine as it automatically executes the programmed operation. Confirm below once the process is complete and the machine has completely stopped. After the machining operation has finished and all machine movement has stopped, switch off the machine using the main power control. Close the machine's glass enclosure door securely. Capture an image of the closed machine enclosure for final verification and successful completion of the training session. AI image verification succeeded. Procedure complete. Thank you.